Hey, this is Jc2 back with Rockstar and Steve. Well, Rockstar right now is playing Just Cause 2. He's trying to show you a car chase.
Or how to get off the cops.
See, the lawn chair is not helping. It was just my detail to make it look cool. Yes, it does. It looks amazing. And this car right here is nearly bulletproof. It will explode sometime, but way to waste my ammo.
This is my game.
Exactly, but I picked up that gun.
Alright, guys.
Turn on the light!
I have time for stupid things. Don't judge me. There's no second so fast.
Sure. I'll take your word on it.
I can play a taxi.
Wait, can you rent taxis and stuff? Oh, you can't? That was bad.
The only bad thing about motorcycles is that they're fully exposed.
And when you hit a light pole, you can go flying off. It's pretty fun. For instance, Joey, go hit a light pole.
I need breakfast.
Didn't ask you if you wanted to. No, I'm kidding. See? For instance.
Yeah, see, I did what you wanted.
Found your motorcycle. Steal the moped, dude. Dude, drive it off of that. The dock?
No, dude. It's a car chase.
Oh.
Crap car.
It's a moped. What will you
This is not a
expect?
moped.
Yeah, it is.
Anything but a
Taxi. Get him into the other lane. There we go.
Jacob, I know how to do a car chase.
That splattered him.
I don't even know where that guy's at.
When I was playing it, he like shot his other people. Somebody come on, shoot Joey. Go to the big island. Go to the... No, okay. Go to the casino then. Whoa! Scary pedestrian. I'll have to climb up that mountain to get to it. Go to the fancy bridge. Fancy. Vamos. Next to vamos. Drive backwards.
Or Ricky Bobby style. I'm a professional, don't try this.
No, he's
Ever.
not. Love how the wheels are following it and it's still driving. Dude, jump off the bridge. Like, take a left, sharp left, sharp left. It never works when you do it on the other side of the road. Dude, those are the best. That's the one that nobody can drive because it's so hard. See?
Dang, it is hard.
Too much horsepower. There it is, right in the middle of the road. You can afford to get it.
I'm trying to run here.
If you're driving.
Doesn't necessarily mean I'm running.
Just stand on top of it. They go crazy fast, don't you? It's definitely too fast, isn't it? Definitely a high speed. Definitely. Oh look, it's sponsored.
Come on, High Club.
And party lights. Don't forget the party lights.
Stupid car.
It's a moped.
Car.
Not a car. Have the people of YouTube speak.
They can leave comments.
This has been going for 6 minutes. This is awesome.
It can last 15 minutes.
This may last 15 minutes, people. Be prepared. You always hope for the best when Joey's playing. This is Jalan. Jalan! Jalan! You have no ammo whatsoever, Joey. Here, whack-a-mole. Eat that guy. And you can get his gun. Don't waste ammo on him. Steal that car back there. It's fast. That car right there. It looks really pathetic and it's called an old man. Now if its tire wasn't popped, it would be fast.
Thanks, Jacob. You almost killed me.
Yeah, well, I popped both of your tires. Wahahaha. So do you. There's the casino.